If you want to go back on POCO C85, what you can do is you can simply use the back button if you of course use buttons for navigation. So in this case, the back button is this triangle. It can be positioned on the right side or the left side, depending if the mirror buttons option is on or off. So you can just simply tap over here in order to go one step back. However, if you use gestures instead, then in that case, in order to go back, you can swipe from the left side of the phone towards the middle. As you can see, we have this indicator that tells us that we are about to go back, so we can swipe like this in order to go back. You can do the same thing by swiping from the right side towards the middle as well. And if you actually want to switch between one or the other, I mean the navigation, if you want to choose gestures or buttons for navigation, then just open settings, then we can go to home screen, and then in here we have system navigation. And there we go, we have the selection. And that's it. Subscribe to my channel.